Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. We're doing garlic prawns. You got your prawns or big ass shrimp, I don't know the difference. Parsley, garlic, lemon, salt, red pepper, olive oil. Chili pepper would probably work just as well, but I don't got one, so. Oh, he found the parsley. He looks happy though, doesn't he? Probably help his breath. Alright, season your prawns with the shells on salt and pepper. This should draw out some of the moisture and make them sear up nicely here, both sides. Alright, peel your garlic, and then you're going to slice it nice and thin. Not too thin, otherwise it'll burn. Anyways. There you go. Now put it on a little plate. Definitely need to put it on a little plate or it's not the same. Alright, chop your parsley, just quick run through. Don't chop the shit out of it or you'll leave all the flavor on the cutting board and you don't want to do that. Slice your lemon, you'll need that for the juice later on. Alright, add some olive oil to your pan. Non-stick is ideal. Preheat it, medium high, somewhere in there. Alright, put a little piece of garlic in there, see what happens. If it bubbles up right away, put the rest of your garlic in. Add your crushed red pepper to the mix. Oh, that's going to be good, isn't it? Now, as your garlic starts to turn brown, turn color, that nice golden brown, then you can add in your prawns. And you're going to do about a minute and a half on each side here. Alright. Alright, then you're gonna flip them over. They should look good, you know. Okay, with some lemon juice when you got about 30 seconds left or so. Should steam up like that, otherwise your pan's not hot enough. Now take them out, put them on your serving platter, but don't forget to use the juice or the broth or whatever from the pan to top it with them. And then after you do that, add your parsley. And that's about it. Those are ready to serve right there. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, yes, and that's where they were this morning. Enjoy it, guys.